Oh, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's so good to see you all again. So now here we are at the start of another playlist called Scratch Projects to Make. This is the first part. So there are going to be two playlists, and now here we are with our first video of the playlist in which I'm going to explain a project called Rivery Town. As you might know, I, I am I am the actual author of that. I mean the the person who coded all of that. So let's begin because we have a lot to do in that project. So first of all, here we are going to test out this project. It took a lot of days to be made. So we test it out using the green flag button. So here is me, which is the person the player is. And now I can click on other tourists like that. So she says she is Elva, Princess Elva, and now we have to reach her. Careful with the houses and the pathway. So the pathway leads to the street. Hmm. We went down the street. On the street we are now. So we're on the street and there isn't anybody here on the street. So we can just use the blue bridge to go down and into the river. I guess the person could swim, and here we are on the boat. That was quick. And then here is another tourist. There's the railway station, and there's a call for help button too. So there are many amazing features of this project. So we just go and into the railway station. Wow. So this is how you play this game, and when we click on the stop button, the thumbnail appears. Wait, it did not? It does. It does. So now we are also going to discover the feature call for help. Hello, welcome to call center. What are you looking for? So if we have some problem along the project, then we can tell the caller what problem we have. So this is the code of the caller. So these are the answers for some of the questions. We can minimize this. Yes. So now we can tell the caller, hello, welcome to call center. What are you looking for? So once it asks, we will ask it directions.
You're on the way to street. Click the things in your surroundings for more information.
So that's our call. It ended. It isn't actually call, but it's a recording. So now we are going to know more about this project and how it was made. So the first sprite which we are going to discover in the video is this sprite. As you can see, so this is a very quick sprite. I mean, I very quickly programmed it. When right arrow key pressed, when left arrow key pressed, when down arrow key pressed, and when up arrow key pressed. So these are the four controls. So if I click on the upper arrow key, so it goes up, and then when I do this, it goes down. So you can navigate the sprite using these 8 simple blocks. And now we go scrolling here. Yes, I have not added any background noise because sometimes people need to clearly think while playing such a project. Like they have to navigate themselves. It's yet a very small town, but I will make it bigger and I'll sure tell you how to. So next is the when clicked block and then the hide. Switch backdrop to backdrop 4. Wait 8 seconds. So I'm basically telling the sprite that you have to hide, then switch the backdrop to this one. Oh no, the instructions backdrop, and then you have to wait 8 seconds. Go to this point as shown in the X and Y's, and then switch the backdrop to backdrop 1, and then show yourself, and then wait until touching sprite 3, which is this sprite, and then if touching color, then switch backdrop to the street, and if touching color this, broadcast home. So this is the color of the railway station, and now we are done. And now we are done with this sprite. So let me introduce to you the other sprites called sprite 2. In fact, it is a boat. So the sprite boat, when it is clicked, it says, "Come, I will let you cross the river." The river. Sorry. Then when clicked with the when clicked, it shows, and forever if it's touching the tourist, then it broadcasts touch 2, which means it switches the backdrop to the railway station part. And when I receive touch 2, switch backdrop to backdrop 3 and hide. Also, without using the touch 2 message, we can also switch the backdrop directly to backdrop 3, and if we want, we can also broadcast it as well. Touch 2. So it's done because it's only once right now. Now we'll introduce you to Princess Elva. In the next video, because we are ending this video right here, in the next part, we are going to introduce ourselves to Princess Elva and the other characters. Please watch the next video till the end, and thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button to support me. Thank you.